Esteban Rojas, and I am CEO at Humanos 3D. Humanos 3D is a Colombian non-profit that use 3D printing to create affordable and customized assistive devices for people with upper limb disabilities, especially in underserved communities. We use traditional 3D printing, like FDM 3D printers, to create lightweight and resistant components for upper limbs prosthetics and assistive devices. I think that we use PLA for prototyping, and we focus in PG and combinations with TPU or nylon or carbon fiber, so we can give more resistance to our devices. I think that the first steps is to have a conversation with the recipient in the way we can understand their needs or his needs. After that, we can advance with the technical part. So we scan the residual limb using 3D scanning, and then we design a personalized device. After that, we 3D print the parts. We working with volunteers, national and international, to help us to assemble the assistive devices, and then we just test the fit and function with the users. We can create an assistive devices in 1 week. I mean, can be in 3 days or 1 week. That depends of the needs of the recipients. One of the principal advantages is that we can have a fast prototyping. We can customize for each user. So if you want to play table tennis or you want to play the violin, that's possible, and in an easy way, right? And is in a lower cost. It also enables to produce devices not just locally, but in an international way. We just send it for an email and design. So if you have 3D print in another country, you just can print it, and we can give the instructions for delivery to another recipients. Until now, we have reached around 450 persons across Colombia, and also in other countries like Peru, Costa Rica, and we are in a project in Kenya and Rwanda too. So this is really scalable. With Humanos 3D, we create a project called Mobile Clinics, where the idea is to travel around our different places, principal remote areas or rural areas.